Ladies and gents, welcome back. It's an early morning, got to do a little bit of running around, and we are going to hit an estate sale first thing when they first open. I got a little sneak peek online. They had some photos, and there's two, not one, but two Mustang motorcycles. There's a black one, and it looks like a blue one. They look like they're super dusty, probably been sitting forever. The Mustangs are pretty rare. If you remember, we had really good luck. We bought one about a year ago, 1962 or a 63. Really nice green one. These ones don't look that nice, but they're still worth going to look at, and we'll see what we can do. All right, here they are. And
They're the owners.
Cushman. How cool is this little guy? Homemade jobby. Look at that. That is awesome. Alright guys, we are back and we're headed over to see if we can get those Mustangs. They gave me a call this morning. I had given them my card. Kind of talked a little bit about money. They want a ton of money, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, wish us luck. I was here twice yesterday.
Oh, you were?
Yeah.
You have some already?
Yeah, I don't have one right now, but I'm a collector and I do restorations. So yeah, I had a 62. Excuse me, previously.
What year?
62 and a 63.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're really neat. I like them. They're American made.
Yeah,
A small company out
You don't
of
like the
LA.
Cushman? Was that right?
No, I don't do Cushmans.
No.
No, not my specialty.
Yeah.
The only thing better than buying one Mustang is buying two Mustangs. We got them both. So let's take them home and clean them up. Okie dokie, got them home. And let's unload these bad boys. Alright, so got the Mustangs unloaded. And let's see if they run. Got a little starting fluid. The gas tanks actually don't look too bad. And this one felt like it had the best compression, so I think this one has the best chance of running. Whoop. It runs. It runs. Let's try this one before I get too tired. Well, ladies and gents, I am beyond excited. The blue one is definitely a runner. The black one, I think with a little bit more work, it could be. When I was starting it, or trying to start it, some seeds came out of the exhaust, so there might be a little mouse nest in the exhaust, plugging things up. But overall, really exciting last couple days. It took 3 trips and a lot of work, but we got the deal done, brought home the 2 Mustangs. So, you know, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. This is one of the things we do, work on bikes and go hunt rare old ones and get them running and all that good stuff. So please subscribe if you like it. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.